Hey guys, Trevor here with eCommerce Paradise. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to start dropshipping. So before you get into dropshipping, you have to understand what it is first. Dropshipping is simply a fulfillment method, whereas you use a supplier to ship products directly to your customer. Now you as an online retailer who is doing the business online, the e-commerce business, you have to consider yourself as a retailer first and foremost. So dropshipping is just a service that you provide to your customers. You provide access to all sorts of different brands on a website, and of course you provide great deals and discounts on those brands' products, as well as value-added services, upgrades, options, and content, right? So generally speaking, dropshipping is a low-cost startup model as opposed to other startup models in the business world. However, there is a lot involved and there is some investment needed. So the first thing you'll need to do, of course, is train yourself on business. You'll have to take business and marketing classes. I can recommend going to a website called Coursera.org, also going to udemy.com, and using YouTube. And typing in Business 101, Marketing 101, things like that. And also signing up for audiobooks via audible.com, and also going to Amazon and picking up some books about marketing. So anything you can find in there, just read it, listen to it, watch it, because all that stuff is going to apply in building your business. Now, when it comes to starting an internet business, especially in the dropshipping world, it's a pretty simple, straightforward process. First of all, you have to figure out what niche you're going to go into. So to do niche research, it's simply a process of finding products that match the price point that you want to sell at. I teach high-ticket dropshipping, my eCommerce Paradise Academy. That means selling products that are over $200, usually in the $1,000 price range or more. And I also have experience selling digital products. And so you can do both. However, with the physical products, the coolest thing there is that you have a physical thing to actually ship to a customer. And usually those products are solving a big problem or fulfilling a desire that customer has. So they're much more likely to sell easily. Now, with that said, setting up a website once you've decided your niche is a very easy process. I recommend using Shopify. And I've used WordPress and WooCommerce in the past, but it's been kind of a headache and a hassle. So Shopify is much easier, and although it does cost a monthly fee, it's actually less expensive in the long run, especially as far as time goes, to set up and build your business using their website features. So I'd like to say first that I have special referral links for all of the resources I mentioned in this video. If you go to ecommerceparadise.com/resources or click the link in the description, you can get all those links. There's special discounts and coupons for some of them, so definitely check that out. So once you've actually decided on your niche, and you, the next thing to do is to model a competitor. So I always suggest people go out and find a competitor in the online space that you want to model after, because if you try to enter a space that doesn't have competitors already, most likely it'll be very hard to start up. It'll be harder to find suppliers, harder to find content ideas, all that stuff. So it's always a good idea to find a competitor to model that's also just doing dropshipping. You don't want to find somebody with a retail storefront or anything like that, because those brands might not dropship for you. So definitely find a competitor that is just doing dropshipping, and you can set up a website and you can basically model after them. Right? So once you get your website set up with Shopify, which, by the way, I teach all this in the course in the eCommerce Paradise Academy. So if you're interested in taking a step-by-step course on how to set up your website, how to find suppliers, and then do everything else that's necessary, definitely go there and check that out. But I'll tell you right now what's basically required to do, and that is to finish setting up your website and then optimize it for conversions. That means setting up a sales funnel with email marketing, setting up opt-ins, setting up all sorts of conversion optimization techniques throughout your website, more stuff that I talk about in the course as well. And then driving paid traffic to your website first so that you get some sales. And of course, with high-ticket dropshipping, you'll be able to make more money per sale than you would with low-ticket dropshipping. So 1 or 2 sales will pay for your ads, whereas it would take 10 to 20 sales to pay for ads with low-ticket stuff. The other cool thing about high-ticket dropshipping is the products tend to be lasting longer than the low-dollar stuff. So instead of selling, a viral product for a month or two and then having to find another one, you can sell the same product month after month after month, maybe even year after year after year. So it's really good for the long run to do high-ticket dropshipping. So once you've done that, then you definitely want to focus on building your organic traffic, building out your website, getting backlinks, and automating your business procedures and processes so you can start outsourcing. So a lot of systemization techniques that we go through in our business, I'll be teaching in the course. and also a lot of automations. I can't even say it. Optimizations and automations, and say that 10 times fast. Business is crazy to run, and it can be very stressful at times, but if you just focus on building systems and making it easy for yourself to get into it every day and making it easy to get out of it as well, it can become a very stress-free thing to do. So you just have to manage what you go through and build your website so that it makes it as passive as possible, and you can live a very, very cool lifestyle. That's why that's why I called it e-commerce paradise, because I really wanted to live my paradise lifestyle. And that meant basically setting up an online business that was created so that people could passively go and purchase the products, get what they wanted, be happy with it, and I would also be happy with doing business with them. So it's a win-win-win situation. Win for you as the online retailer, win for the customer because they got a great deal on a product and they got a great service, and then win for the supplier because now they have a new online retailer, you, to go out there and market their products for them and sell them. And so it takes one whole department that's usually necessary out of their equation. All they have to do is give you a dealer discount. So helps their business, helps your business, helps the customer. Win-win-win. All right, guys, so that's it. That's how to start dropshipping. If you guys have any more questions, definitely check out academy.ecommerceparadise.com. Link is in the description below. And of course, you can email me, Trevor@ecommerceparadise.com. Ask any questions you have. Sign up for the course. Right now, it's $47 a month. That's the early bird pricing. It's going to be going up as soon as I create more courses and stuff like that. So I'm really excited to do that.